Assalamu alaikum. In this video we learn about how to download and install the latest version of OBS Studio on Windows 11 and also set all basic settings of OBS Studio and record the first screen capture video. Now let's start. First we open the Chrome browser. Now Chrome browser is open. Search here OBS Studio. Open the first website obsproject.com. If you want to download for Mac OS or Linux, you can click on Mac OS or Linux, but now we are downloading for Windows 11, so we click on Windows. Now you can see here the latest version of OBS Studio is downloading. After downloading the latest version of OBS Studio installer, we double click on OBS Studio installer. On some hardwares, OBS Studio show this message. Don't worry about this message. Click on run. Now we gave it permission to install. Click on yes. Now click on next. Now click on next. If you want to change the installation location, you can it, but no, I am installing it on default location. Now click on install. Now OBS Studio is installing. Now the installation of OBS Studio is completed. If you do not want to launch the OBS Studio, you can uncheck this option, but no, I am launching it, so I check out this option and click on finish. Now the OBS Studio is open for the first time. If you want to use for streaming, you can check this option, but no, I am using it for recording, not for streaming. I check out the second option and click on next. Base resolution depend on your hardware. If you want to change it, you can. Now we click on next. Now all recording settings are applying on it. Now first we set the all basic settings of OBS Studio, then we record the screen capture video. Now we go to settings. Here click on settings. Now we are in settings. If you want to change the language, you can it, but I am using default language, so I do not need to change language. In general settings, you not need to change anything. Now we go to output settings. Now here we go to advanced. Now go to recording. Now we set the type standard. Click on standard and set it standard. Here you choose the folder where your recording will be saved. Now you click on browse and choose any folder where your recording will be saved. Now we go to desktop and click on software folder. I want to save my videos in softwares folder, so I click on it. Now we click on select this folder. Now this folder is selected for safe recording. Now we set recording format. Now we select the recording format MP4 because this is easy to handle. Now we select the encoder. AVI encoder is not used for recording. Only one encoder is available that is suitable for screen recording, so we select it. Now we select the output scale, that is automatically selected. If your hardware is in best condition, then the output scale will be HD. Now we apply all these settings. Click on apply. Now we go to audio settings. Now in audio settings you can select the microphone or mic. You can select this option and click on microphone and select it. You do not need to change other settings. Now you apply this. Click on apply. Now we go to video settings. Here you can change the resolution of video, but here by default the best resolution is selected, so I do not need to change the resolution. Now output scale resolution you can change here. I select it high, so I select this. Click on it. Now you do not need to change other settings. Now we apply these settings. Click on apply. Now the all basic settings are completed. Now we click on OK. Now we record first screen capture video. Now we go to source section and click on plus sign and click on display capture. If you want to change the name of this display capture, you can it. I am recording this video with default name. Now we click on OK. Now you can see the completely screen is capturing here. Now here we click on start recording. Now you can see here the screen capture video recording is started here. Now we want to save it. We click on stop recording. Now this recording will be saved in software folders because I save it in software folder. Now we go to software folder. Here you can see the two videos, date and time also written on the video. Now we open this video, double click on this video. Now you can see the recorded screen capture video is here. In this way you can easily record the screen capture video. Now you can see the latest version of OBS Studio is working on Windows 11. If you like this video, like it. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.